Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I have a brand new creation for you in the girls room of the gigantic dollhouse that I bought for just $30 at a community yard sale. My friend Nancy has been looking out for me, and she went to a yard sale. She spotted a whole bunch of miniatures and brought them to me. And this bed, this beautiful bed, is part of it. Now, in the corner over there is a piece that matches the bed. That's actually a desk. So what I did was I combined my other pieces to it. I have a mirror here that matches that chair. Now, the mirror and the chair are part of miniatures that I bought from Nancy at a yard sale that she was running herself. Other than that, I have some Dollar Tree items. This is a box with 2 drawers from the Dollar Tree, as well as that one in the corner. But this one I am using as a closet. Now this one I'm using as some type of dresser, but it doesn't have a mirror. Behind it are 2 little dogs on a magnet piece. Then there's a handmade lamp that's just a drawer knob with a piece of metal and the cage. There's a little round piece there, wooden piece, that's a hair bead. And then you can see the little bear with the flowers. Here we have the mirror with another bear, mirrored bear, and other little bears. You know, this is all stuff that a girl, young girl, has in her bedroom. Now this little table here is a rubber piece and a plastic piece together over these magnets. Now the magnets are there because they are holding up the fixture in the room below. That's what those magnets are for. But I made it a little table. Then I had just a little box with a pink interior that I thought was cute. So I'm using that as some type of storage area, like a little toy chest. So this is where the girl that lives here, this is where she has her book, her diary, and she has another cage with a monkey in it. Then she has a little relaxing area right here with another bear. Then on this side, this is the letter E, and I bought it at the Goodwill store. It is beautiful and very useful too. I've been using it in different creations. It gives off a lot of light. So I am using it as some type of shelving. So there's a little house here. There's a little dog there. Remember, these are like stuffed animals. This little girl is really a doll. There's a dog right next to her. And then there's another little dog here. Then there's a little jewelry box here with a fairy on it. And this piece I bought at the Dollar Tree. And there are some ceramic little houses up here. So I love this piece to display all her toys. And then I have a light here. This is from Walmart. This is the way I had decorated this room. I love the way the walls came out. So I don't think I'll be changing them anytime soon. I mean, I'll make different creations in this room, but I won't be changing the walls. I placed some ribbon at the top to make some valances for the windows. This is a huge room, I tell you, huge. I forgot how much it measures. I measured it when I first got the house, but it's a pretty big room. I was able to fit 2 beds in here with a whole bunch of furniture before this creation. So I think that I went over everything in here. So this is the gigantic dollhouse that I bought for just $30 at the community yard sale. And I will be giving you a tour soon because I've made over some rooms. The kitchen is a made over room, the dining room. And you probably did see that I enhanced the front. Right now you don't see the porch because the porch was just for a video. I ended up removing it because I didn't have space for the porch. But eventually I might make something small there and make a permanent porch. But anyway, if you haven't seen this house, this is how big it is. And I think that this part was meant to be a garage, but I made a kitchen in there. So I will be giving you a tour soon. I hope that you enjoyed all the details in the girls' room, and it might change again. And if it does, I will bring it back to you. So I hope that you enjoyed all the details, and thank you so much for watching.